Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 Vauxhall Astra SRI Nav estate. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 42 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 16 and this is a one-owner vehicle, cabin covered literally just over 2,000 miles, so it must be one of the lowest 2019 Astras in the country. And Vauxhall have completed all the service history. This particular colour is the Aegean Blue and looks in good condition for your mileage of the car. As we look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. Being the SRI, you also have the sports seats there, which are really comfy, as well as the leather steering wheel. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers. On the left hand side of the steering wheel there, you've got your cruise control. And then finally, on the driver's door card, you have your electric mirror and 4 window switches. As we open the rear doors, got a good amount of legroom and headroom there for a hatchback. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts as well. I can see there's pockets in the back of the front seats, that's nice and handy. And as we open the tailgate, being the estate, you've got a massive boot there with the split folding rear seats, and underneath the boot floor you also have some extra storage as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 17-inch alloy wheels, and then finally front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.